This video will hopefully complement the one that you've hopefully already watched of how you can use Thingiverse and Tinkercad, but it'll go through a couple of things that maybe didn't come up before. So this time I'm going to search for shark bottle opener on, just got to spell that correctly. I'm going to search for that on Thingiverse. Once that comes up, I'm going to show you that sometimes, and this wasn't in the previous video, when you download a file from Thingiverse, because it's a zipped file, it often contains lots of other files inside, and you just need to concentrate on getting the STL file. But I'm going to show you how to do that, which is slightly different from the other video. So if I go to download all files like I did last time, it will come up with the same prompts, and it will ask me to save it to my drive because this is an example on a Chromebook. It might also do it onto your computer if you're doing it using a computer rather than a Chromebook. But I'm just going to hit show in folder here because it's down on my Chromebook and that's what I'm using at the moment. It will open up the downloads that are on my Chromebook, and then I'm going to want to move that into my drive. But as I said, it will save it first as a zip file, which normally means there's more than one file inside. So we double click that one and it takes a few seconds because a Chromebook can be a little bit slow. But once that opens up, it will show you the other files inside. Now, in my previous example, there was already the file that I wanted in there. But as you can see in this one, there's a README, there's a license, and there's an attribution card. You can read those if you want to check. If you're using it for non-commercial purposes, normally your README and licenses are fine. And what you actually want to do is double click on this files one. And then inside there, you'll find the STL file, which is what you will want to drag onto your drive. And then you can see that it's copied onto my drive there. So that's just a little bit of help in case you opened a zip file and you didn't see your STL file straight away, that it's sometimes in another folder called files.